A very happy day. Welcome back to Tarot Vibes. This is Pooja Jain here. And today we are going to do month of June reading. So this month I bring you a 3 card reading. So if you have any questions in your mind or any doubts in your mind, you can always think of your question and go ahead with the reading. And you can always switch to your sunshine as well because this is a sunshine wise reading too. And this time I'm going to pick 3 cards: a general card, a business card, and a love card. So these 3 cards. And in case you want to learn tarot cards, I also teach tarot card reading. I also sell tarot card decks. So if you want to buy decks, there is a video in the same account, so you can just go back to my videos and check. You will see different sizes of tarot cards what I said. And I also do personal reading, so if you want to take personal reading or if you want to know personally about your issues, you can always message me on WhatsApp, so I'll let you know the charges. So let's start with the reading. So first sunshine is Aries. So first sunshine wise Aries, we are picking 3 cards. So this month for Aries is having a little negativity, high on negativity. Please do something positive, or please do something, where your intentions are right. If you're high on addiction, please cut down on things like smoking, drinking. It's not going to help you much. Business wise, a lady in your business or a female in the business will boss over, or please take instructions or order from them and follow it. It is going to do really good for your business. Love life wise, you will really have, a blessed love life this month, or whatever you were thought of will happen. There might be a couple trip coming as well in this month. So this was for Aries. Next is for Taurus. So people from the sunshine Taurus, there is some kind of weight coming in. So you there is a weight in this month for something. Whatever you thought of might not happen in this month. There's a little wait, so you have to wait. And business wise, you're thought of some new business or something new to do in your business or career that is going to help you more, or a new start of a new business is going to be really good in this month. And relationship wise, there's a celebration card, so some celebration is coming in your relationship. Might be you're celebrating for the reason of completing so many years, or you're getting into a permanent committed relationship, or some celebration is coming in your love life. So that is for love life. So that is for Taurus. So next we go for Gemini. So for people in Gemini, don't hold on to your money so much. Don't be so stingy. Share your wealth or donate some, do some charity. That is going to help you. If you're into a family business, please, uh, be into your family business. Take care of your family business with your family. Do take decisions including your family in it. Or if you're into a job, or if you're doing working somewhere else, do consider your family while making any decision which is regarding finance. Love life wise, there is a little stress happening right now, too much stress or too much emotionally high in the relationship, because of which the people are thinking you're too possessive, or you're too clingy, or too emotionally highly holding this relationship. So they are not feeling good with that kind of an high emotion in a relationship. So be emotional, be worried, be stressed, but don't be overdoing all those because your partner isn't comfortable in this. So that is for Gemini. Next is for Cancer. So people with the sunshine Cancer, please balance yourself emotionally. You're losing of your emotional balance. So hold on to your balance in life. Don't get too practical, or don't become too emotional in life. Hold on to yourself. Balance your emotions. Business wise or career wise, please take your dad's decision or a fatherly figure's decision. It's going to help you more. Their advice, I mean, just take their advice, or ask them or tell your issues to them. Whatever they say, if you're finding it right, do implement. That's going to help you more, as well as it makes your bond strong with that person. Relationship wise, you're very slow at doing things in relationship. You're always postponing, thinking this relationship is anyways there, so not taking initiative to express. Please express whatever you feel. Don't delay things. Might be you lose the relationship in case if you're delaying too much. So what you have planned of or what you want to do, please do it right away. So that was for Cancer. Next is for Leo. So people with the sunshine Leo, you're highly stressed or worried emotionally. You also don't know the reason, because you know whatever you're stressed for is going to end good. Whatever the result of it is going to be really good. But still, you're blindly worried for no reason. So stop worrying or stop tensing yourself for things which are anyways going to end good. Business wise or career wise, really an abundant blessing is seen in the card. Abundance is coming in, so you don't need to worry business wise. Love relationship wise, you're not good at expressing your emotions, or you're very immature at making decisions or taking decisions in your love life. So ask help of your partner. With the partner's support or help, please do take some decisions which you have to take. That way the relationship would be saved, as well as it will go really good. So that was for Leo. Next is for Virgo. So people with the sunshine Virgo, please organize yourself, schedule yourself in this month what all you want to do or what all you're going to do. Please write down and follow the schedule. If you schedule yourself or organize yourself, this month is going to be very peacefully going. Business wise, do some charity. Don't loan money to anybody. Don't give money to anybody expecting it will come back. It will not come back. So be careful when you give money to somebody. And in love relationship, it's really going with a good face and things are going in your favor. So if you're expecting or want to propose somebody, please do it this month. It's going to be an yes as an answer. So this is for people from Leo, right? Six, sorry, this was for Virgo. Next is for Libra. So people with the sunshine Libra, you people have, very hardworking. You're very hardworking and you're expecting results for the same. Good that you're hardworking, because this is going to be paid double of whatever you're working hard with, or whatever your hard work is, in whichever field it is. Please do your hard work. It's going to be paid. As well as business wise, very what do you say, very good business is going to come, as well as you wouldn't have expected so much of income. So that kind of a business or that kind of a growth is coming. I can also say promotion or appraisal also is coming career wise. Love life wise, divorce is expected, breakup is expected, or something is going to be a real mess in your love life. So if there is a situation where you think it's going to be a breakup or there's a fight coming up, then be aware it might end up your relationship. So take care of your relationship. So that was for Libra. Next is for Scorpio. So Scorpius, this is for you. So people with the sunshine Scorpius, you're very highly stressed. You're stressed for no reasons. If you just go ask for help with somebody, they will for sure help you come out of that situation right away. Business wise, somebody is going to betray you or cheat you. So please take care of your decisions. Please take care before you trust somebody and make decisions business wise, because they might cheat you or backstab you. Relationship wise, you're thinking you're the only person who is burdened in this relationship with load of work or lot of responsibility. The other person is not taking their responsibility to come in or do their share of work in the relationship. So you're little stressed with it. So please talk to your partner, let them know that things are not going good, or you're feeling too stressed or too overworked in this relationship. So that is for Scorpions. Next is for Sagittarius. So people with the sunshine Sagittarius, something is really going to end very bad, or some situation is coming where things are going to end. You might have a very sad situation or a hurtful situation, but trust me, once the situation is over, the next thing which is coming up in life is going to be very beautiful and very blessed one. Relationship wise, please do take advice from the lady luck of your family, or of your life. With their decisions or with their advice, your business or career will really go good. And love life wise, you're struggling or juggling with some decisions in love, in your love life. So stop holding your legs in two different places or thinking over in a relationship. Hold on to one, stay with one, because you're struggling too much to keep this relationship. I would ask you to just let go, or flow with your emotions. Just leave the stress or worry there. Things will go fine naturally. So this was for Sagittarius. So next is for Capricorn. So Capricorns, people with Capricorns as sunshine. Uh, you will have a very good love life coming in. Love life wise, you'll be blessed, or relationship might get romantic. There is a good couple card, so I'd suggest spend a lot of time with your husband, wife, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever relationship you're into. Business wise, please don't take decision in urgency. Stop being taking decisions in urgency, or don't be in hurry to make decisions. Think twice, decide twice, and then go ahead to make a decision. Love relationship wise, stop living in your past. I understand your past relationship were going really good. You want to make that relationship work, or whatever was happening in your relationship in past was really good. You liked the way this relationship was going on, but currently you're not liking it. Then talk to your partner, let them know that you're not feeling good about this relationship right now. You used to like it when it was back then, and not now. So please stop living in the past, come back to your future present, and live your present happily. So that was for Capricorns. So next sunshine is Aquarius. So people from Aquarius. Okay, so people from Aquarius, you're very slow at expressing your emotions or telling out your emotion to somebody. Please express your emotions. There's nothing wrong in expressing your emotions, as well as, please let others know how you're feeling. Holding on to your feeling will not do any good to anybody. So if you're feeling bad, let them know. If you're feeling good, let them know. Express your emotions good. Don't be slow in deciding things. Decide things when you have to make decisions. Don't keep postponing your decisions. That's not going to do good. Business wise, you're getting stuck somewhere. You're very feeling that you cannot make that business decision or the career decision, right? Take somebody's help, take the expert help, and make the decision. That's going to help you more. Relationship wise, you're too stressed in your relationship. You're wondering if the stress is worth the relationship. Then I would suggest you to stop this relationship, because it's too highly stressful. So relationship excuse so relationship should be a happy one, not a stressful, or where you're already feeling so stressed. So you should feel happy when you look at the other person, not a stress in a relationship. So you're highly stressed, so talk to your partner, let them know you're worried or you're stressed, or they are causing that worry or stress in you. So if you think still this relationship is worth, then stop worrying about it and do the right thing, what you have to do to continue this relationship. So that was for Aquarius. The last sunshine is Pisces. So people from Pisces, you're having a very hard working time coming up. So very much you'll be overworking or hard working, which will not have a pay or which will not have a return. So work only as much as you're asked for. Don't overwork or overburden yourself with work, because that has no return. And as well as even if you do it or not do it, people will not mind. So you're just doing it for your own sake, or you're just doing it because you want to show somebody that you're doing it. So stop doing it, because physically it's going to hurt you, or you might get some health issues. So stop overburdening with work. And in business place or in career place, there's a celebration coming up, or there's some good times coming up in your business or career wise. So there's a celebration coming up in your office front or in your business front. Relationship wise, you have all the strength to carry on this relationship. So stop worrying and enjoy the relationship you're into. Nothing bad is going to happen. All good things are coming up shortly. Be bold and brave enough to hold this relationship and nourish it as much as you can. So these were the readings of all the sunshines, and this time we have done a general, business, and the love card. So do check out according to your sunshine, and let me know what you feel in the comment box. Do like, share, and subscribe this video. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Have a very nice day.